I see almost every day in my damn store. You know how long from the bomber bag come back from the police station with their dirty stinking clothes.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless upon yourself, first and foremost. You see me, I wall on there with the latest mix up and mix down, so please subscribe, just for no miss out. So, guys, this mix up and mix down today is very steamy. It just come off of the pot, that one you hot. You see me? So, Wasp, Benzema and Ivany are sure shades off of each other. And, to me, you don't know friends who know your secret like your friends. So, I don't know if this is a expose for both females or them just attack up in them feelings. But me make on see. And guys, before me do share that video with you, I just want to hear Ivany side first, then Benzema one. I go play next. Yes, you mean, but don't know who I tell in that situation. Only one person can be the bad man, and they tell me it's who.
Listen to me, I say Ivany and talk to you, brother. Nobody come act like you want to come load up on the phone, no. And I told me I feel deal with her killer because she not giving me no time to talk. She just talk about the fight in her store. I try to tell her so there wasn't a fight in her store. I just go, your own cousin call me. And they know them look at thing them. I'm black that's mad. I'm not ask the boy want me. From I know myself and there with Kenny, I never fuck funny mate. And from you there with Wasp, from you there with Aki, and I see this. Station bad girl was retail junker was. Was when me not even boy, I could even put my hand on you, because I don't see no put my hand on. I go to lock you out and I do and have to fret because I go understand that I can't lock her out. She go come through the little part where the cat is so she's skinny, she go fit in, I can't lock her out. Was when the ears and shoes can't stay in it, your foot can't stay in one slippers. Your this I have to tell the things because she get from my nerve and the girl have my things them all and do and give me them some.
We're P&M brand Lady Gaga.
What you know? Which part of my foot are bigger than look there? Upon the little heels. Once we all know that you were did a promotion and the promotion work done for you and then just the slippers never done make and it just stayed there. So alright. What you know? What is this? What is that black thing right there? You say you're girl supposed to fix up. You don't need no brazier, don't have not. Mama, everything I wear say you buy what you like. Eh? You buy what you like. Because I don't understand how that part of the milk just drop down so. I don't understand where the black brazier they come from. You don't have a breast, you don't have anything. You could have at least just keep your chest them flat. Alright then. I'm going to see something else. Where other picture will kill me now. Alright, cook. Wow. Love and it. Look here now.
She's saying look like him don't even want the okra. The one I told him.
No. Catch Lady Gaga blood clot.
But I know why you call up my name. Stay in your lane, brother. I both stay in our lane. You stay in your lane, me stay in mine. You can pick up the old dirty bag. Go to my store tomorrow. I'll think I'll be there. I'm not sure what time. But go to my store tomorrow. Pick up your dirty bag. Go you tell people like me have. With the dirty things them in there. And carry on with your life. Bitch. And can't speak on my mother. The near time fuck for my man, she know me and I never gonna why me never fuck for my man. And that hurt me so, you know. And so she talking, she leave for my man, believe it in a youth. And that's why me upset so in a youth. Youth a chain not even know youth. Yo, me say if that girl ever feel like so she can go and tell like for me I make this impact for my relationship youth and never would that thing come to do to your youth. Me I tell you. I tell you. What mess, girl? I know say almost every day in my damn store. You know how long from the bomber bag come back from the police station with their dirty stinking clothes, big pussy girl. You know how long the clothes them there in my store, in my storeroom put on bitch. You're going like a thing.
A mad thing, man, guys. So if you don't make it this far in the video, big up on yourself when you know the style. So Chanel, me or have this problem. I don't know why she always a spot the bump them like it not natural. But tell her I no love bump the next song for name.
What that mean? About push first, push after. Wow. Push in the traffic. Wow. What that me last. Pretty well going.
Is that Chucky something? She said, hi, my name is Chucky. I'm going to be your friend forever. Do you want to go outside and play? We're going to play a game called Push in the Traffic. I will push you first. You know, get you know?
Push on the traffic.
That's class.
Let's slow it today.
No, how comes? How comes you not catch that?
No.
No. How comes you not catch that? Which part you not catch?
I'll play a game named Pushing the Traffic. I'm going to push you first. Oh, you mean literal traffic?
Thank you very much.
Oh, say what you mean? My goodness. I saw my brain did slow a little bit, man. Little bit kind of. I never remember until.
How comes?
Oh gosh, my brain did slow. Oh, my brain so slow a while ago.
I know.
I did first, so if me that me can't go push you, so me can push you first.
No, I play the game.
No.
You can't tell me I play the game.
So make you want to kill me. And some terrible to you?
Yeah, look what I got.
Hurt your feelings?
Yeah, hurt my feelings. Because I go make everybody laugh.
So look how much time make people laugh after me over here and I say nothing. You know much time people over here done me and you don't say nothing. You even say, you know what? Oh no, don't do that to Chanel. Yeah, you sit down over yourself right in front of you. You're big black.
Alright, listen what I'm saying to you.
Listen to what I am saying and then you speak. You sit down over yourself. Yeah, in front of your screen, I'll let you turn your back on your back your face or something, but you never back me.
I'll ask you a
The
question.
lashes, them are just, two left over here, so two. And then a couple of them over, two of them left right there, so two of them right there, so.
Chanel.
You sit down over here, so and you turn your back.
Chanel. You have a bump right there, so.
Me have one right there, so too.
See the bump that come from?
Listen, but you know why the boy love me so you don't laugh at me not. Don't lie.
I need trick car, man. Go on, man. She talk about video bump from last week.
I know lava
Next time, man.
Love
bump. She make good songs. Isn't it?
I am Miss Fanny.
And she take
Call
up
me
dog
the same
in
type
it,
what the
boy
bag.
over.
I'm other.
Okay, them go ahead, you know.
Miss
I
Fanny,
feel like bump them there, Shaggy.
if you come on, your type be a disrespectful thing for the life. When not really bother you, your type bag a disrespectful thing for the life. I am _ Miss Fanny MCFFANNIE. May I call you right now? Why you decline the life? You come on the live, you criticize me, you criticize Dan, you criticize Chanel. And we are calling you now, and you not answer.
They want to criticize people and afraid to go on live. Can't take it back.
Let me explain to the people. Logic, common sense. Right? Remember, yeah man, may I call you back again now? You decline again. Let me explain to you, right? Remember I said, I'm on the show 3 days a week. Sometimes in a good mood, sometimes in a okay mood, sometimes in a bad mood. Sometimes I want to look at trim, sometimes I want to look at line up, sometimes I see a look at bump on my face or what the case might be because una see me 3 days a week. Me not see una. So me a grow my daily routine una see how me a grow. Anything by my face una go see it. You understand me? So
Friday gone, no.
it's okay. Kite him chat and laugh.
Today I Saturday, weekend.
No, it's okay. Kite him chat and laugh.
I know, say, yesterday
But
wasn't Friday.
it's okay that if you click on your page and we know we draw a card on our mustard each other. You get to me I come from? First thing first.
I would do shad here. Shad in our way now.
Alright, let me show you something now.
5 years.
See your profile here.
I spoil them, I spoil a little girl that don't so. But now I say enough to know your culture and thing, you see?
Your profile.
Because she left when she young, you know, you see me? So if she didn't come here, son, and I thought, enough things would have changed with her. But you see the come when she go come here, it's like, she know Jamaican and now she have no foreign, you see it? Cultural and we get some people. Oh, people, when people are this, them, and you see me? Because enough time she there and she say, what that mean? She don't know what it mean, but you know what to say, you see?
Okay. But me not a problem with you, you know. You're not being a bully, but me not a problem with what you say, but it's okay, me just add you to, I will fuck around one other. I don't know that. Because when nothing left on the live, you just a cuss. You're haunted. Yeah, man, you're haunted, man.
Make her one hot video right now. Wasp and
Okay, but big up yourself, see me. Alright?
Yeah.
It's okay.
And I expose them one another.
We not take no personal over
This
here.
a video this.
Me add ya. I add recap.